Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt for more content. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to work on the HTML part for LWC. Okay, this is the most frequently used tag in the HTML for LWC. So let's get started without any further delay. So here you can see this is the first point. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, so HTML basically used for standard markup language to creating web pages, right? Then it's a tag based markup language because every tag is open and every tag is close. Okay, so this is the combination of this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. Okay, so here you can see, for example purpose, this is the tag name and you can write your content here, and this is the ending tag. Okay, so let's get started with demo. So let me create one HTML snippets. So this is the HTML5. so here you can see this is the snippet, this is the HTML5, and here you can write your code under the body part if you want to print something into the browser. And first of all, let me change this title like first web page, for example purpose. Okay, first web page, and here you can write your code like there are two types of level, we can say that two types of level in Salesforce as well HTML for using LWC. Okay, like block level element and inline element. So let me explain first like block level element. Okay, so block level element. Okay, what is block level element? So these element contain full width, and you can see that every content going to new line. Okay, so it's taking new line every time. Okay, so suppose that like this is the first, here you can see, let me comment out first block level element here. Okay, so what is block level element? So this is the first element, here you can see like div. Okay, and this is the second element like as a paragraph. Okay, and third header as well, you can like as just div paragraph, or we can say the heading h1, something like that. So these all block level element. Okay, and come to the another level element like first of all let me comment out here. Okay, and now yeah, so this is the comment in HTML. Okay, so here you can see, so like let me change this comment first here and write inline element. So you can see inline element here. So inline elements. So what is inline element? So if anything you have to write like as a same line without any break line, so you can use inline element into the LWC like as a span tag. Okay, so span tag and like as a strong tag. Okay, and image, img, and then anchor tag. So these all inline element. So how to do work on in block level element as well inline element in LWC. So here you can see the first is div. So let me create one div here, and this is first div, like first div, or you can put one number here. So once you save this, so I want to execute this. So how to execute this? So just click go live, because it's an extension VS Code. So here you can see my content, like this is the first div, right? So if you want to print another div, so you can print here. So just change the content, and here you can see this is the first div and this is the second div. So let me change this as a second here, and you can see this is the second div, right? So you can observe here, this is the first div and this is the second div. This first div coming here, you can see here, okay, and the second div is came another line. Okay, so this is the behavior of div. Okay, this is the first line and this is the second line. So second div is automatically came in second line. Here you can see. Okay, so this is the difference. Now let me use another tag like p, and this p we can write like this is paragraph. Okay, paragraph, and just save it and you can see paragraph. So paragraph automatic takes some margin and padding. Okay, so you can see some spaces between two elements. This is the first div and this is the second paragraph. Okay, so let me change something here like first div, first paragraph, and second paragraph as well, like this one, and save it, and here you can see. Okay, so it's automatic take some gap between the tags, like this is a first paragraph, this is the second paragraph, and in between you can see the gap. Okay, so that is called, this is the default behavior of the paragraph. Okay, so let me take another example with heading like h1. So you can write this is heading, something like that, heading 1, save it, and here you can see this is the heading. So it's the automatic take some margin and padding. Okay, so this is the way to write your block level element. Okay, so now come to the another element like inline element. So how to work on the inline element? So in between I want to give some horizontal var, so hr, then save it, and if you write this hr, so you can see the horizontal line. Okay, you can see this is the ruler. Okay, so let me write down some inline element using span. So span tag, you can see this is span tag. Okay, and you can observe this is a spam. Here you can see this is a spam tag. Now you can observe here. Okay, so let me change as 2 here, and you can observe, so it's coming same line. This is called inline element, and these all block level element. Okay, and now come to the another point like strong, and this is strong tag, something like that. Just save it, and here you can see this is a strong. Same thing you can apply to another tag, like this is strong tag 1, this is strong tag 2, something like that. And here you can see both tags is coming in same line, like tag 1 and tag 2. Okay, this is called inline element. Now come to the another element like image src. So img src, you can take any image from web store or something like that, src, then close it. This is a self closing tag, and you have to write some images. Okay, so you can write like pick some images. This is the one website, you can take the URL from this website as a free. Okay, so just click this lorem, pick some, and just wait for some time. Now you can see image is coming. Just copy this URL and paste it here and save it. Once you save it, you can see my image is coming now. Okay, and you can put this one in another tag, and this is called inline element. Here you can see both images each other, you can see side by side. Okay, that is called inline element. And same thing is you can apply with the help of anchor tag as well, href. Okay, like https://www.google.com, something like that. And just here you can see go to Google, something like that. So these all tags very important for LWC purpose point of view, if you want to learn LWC. Okay, so just save it and run it, and here you can see go to Google. Once you click this Google, so it's automatically navigate Google. Okay, so here you can see Google is open now. Okay, so this is the way to create your element in LWC or with the help of HTML, like block level element, inline element. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So I need more subscriber for this channel as well in this video. Okay, so I need 100 subscriber for this video. So thank you, bye bye, see ya.